So I've been accused of having a relaxer when I don't. Obviously, my silk presses just go crazy. Like, if you want the secret sauce, just ask. You feel me? I'm about to show y'all what I do. I've had this silk press for 2 weeks, and it's time to wash my hair because it's oily and my scalp is a little flaky. So I'm going in with water. Water is the best moisturizer. I make sure to saturate my hair so that my hair starts reverting. I go in with a clarifying shampoo. This one is very affordable and it works very well. I wash my hair with this clarifying shampoo at least 2 times if my hair is very dirty. When my hair doesn't suds up like I want it to, I go in with the clarifying shampoo again, like this. You saw the first time my hair was not sudsing up at all. That means that my hair is oily and dirty and the shampoo is working. It's just that I have to wash it again. So this is my 3rd shampoo with the clarifying shampoo because I want to make sure that my hair is really clean and I don't want to be flat ironing and blow drying oil. I feel like when I'm doing a silk press, I'm always thinking about damage control. So I always go in for my 2nd shampoo with the K18 Damage Shield shampoo. This is not necessary, but this is something that I do. Because it really helps prevent frizz. The shampoo, it helps with damage control, helps with split ends and all that stuff, and I need all the help I can get since I am a straight natural. Moisturizing shampoo is really good because I want to lock in all the moisture, all the water that my hair absorbed. So I'm going to use this Innersense shampoo that I really like because it's very moisturizing, but it doesn't weigh my hair down. My last shampoo is always a moisturizing shampoo. I'm going in with my hydrating conditioner by Joico. I always say it wrong, but I go in with that while my hair is damp and I just apply that all over my hair. I do not rinse my conditioner out lately and I've been liking how my hair feels. I just go right in with my deep conditioner. I'm using this Briogeo one. I have been loving this stuff. As you can see, it's almost gone. And I'm just going to apply that with my hands and put it all over my hair and just kind of massage it in so that I get all my hair strands. I'm going to use this brush to just detangle my hair before I get to the next step, which you'll see. But this really just helps me detangle my hair with product on it because I cannot detangle my hair without product. Who can? So I'm putting on a cap for about 5 minutes until I clean up the shower, and then I'm going in with some steam. So I've been steaming my hair for about a month and I can visibly see a difference in my hair. I love how moisturized it feels. I love just how my curl pattern looks after I steam it, and I could just feel a difference automatically after steaming my hair. And when you're doing silk presses or just putting heat to your hair very often, you want to make sure that your hair is as moisturized as possible. Do you see those curls? Yeah, I might be wearing my natural hair soon. I don't know, but I think I'm a straight natural right now though, to be honest with you. So I go ahead and rinse that out, and I'm putting in one of my favorite leave-in protectors. I do about 6 sprays of this, put it in my hand, rub it together, and just apply it to my entire head. I always apply product to the back of my head first and then bring it to the front. I feel like the front of my hair absorbs product really quickly and can get oily very fast, so I tend to go back to front so that I don't apply too much product. I go in with my favorite Garnier spray that in my hand. You can apply a lot of this stuff without your hair feeling weighed down. Every step of this process, I'm either adding moisture to my hair, repairing my hair, or adding a protectant, or a combination of both. Okay, so I'm going in with this Kenra blow dry spray. I love this stuff because it's a heat protectant as well, and this helps my hair to blow dry a lot quicker. Today I'm using this Amika hair oil. This is one of their new oils. I'm only putting this much on my hand, applying it back to front. This is a very lightweight oil that also has heat protectant in it as well. Also, if you're doing your silk presses at home, invest in tools that work. So my blow dryer, this Dyson, is so good. It's the Supersonic. It's amazing. The way that this blow dries my hair so fast is crazy. I even use it on Leilani's hair, and y'all know how much hair my daughter has. It blow dries her hair in record speed. Another thing when it comes down to doing silk presses, I feel like if you're starting to do them at home, you do need to go to a professional every now and then to make sure that you're getting your trims, because trims help your hair not to split all the way up your hair shaft, and you don't want your hair to pop and start falling out. Also, you want to make sure that you're using the correct products that protect your hair from heat. I do have a little bit of heat damage, but honestly, I should have more based on how much I flat iron my hair. Okay? So for me, the first round of blow drying is very quick because when my hair dries, it's hard for it to blow dry. So I go in quickly and blow dry my entire head. Then I go back in and blow dry it very thoroughly again because my scalp is still wet. And if it passes this test right here and your hair is nice and fluffy, you're good to go. I like my blow dries to marinate overnight. So I put my hair in 2 ponytails and I go to sleep because I want to make sure that my hair is dry. And I promise my SilkPress comes out better the next day. This is the next day. I'm going in with my Babyliss Flat Iron. This is a titanium flat iron. If you do not know what you're doing and you're a newbie to this SilkPress game, get a chi, okay? Or get a ceramic iron because these titanium irons can hold heat in certain places. And if you have it on too high, you could damage your hair. So do your research first. Don't just follow me. You know what I'm saying? You get where I'm going. But anyways, I've been using this Babyliss for a very, very, very long time. I have it set to 400 for the back of my head because the back of my head is very, very kinky. And then when I get to the top, I put it on 350 because the top of my hair is a lot more loose and I can turn the heat down a little bit. So I love to chase my hair with a bristle brush because it makes it a lot easier and my hair comes out so silky. I've tried not using any combs or brushes at all. I've tried using a rat tail comb, but when I tell you a brush on my hair is like chef's kiss. It comes out so pretty, so silky, and it grabs like every piece of hair to make sure that it's catching that heat at the right direction. I promise, if you have never tried using a brush to use after, or chasing, I think is a technical term, to chase your flat iron with, try it. Do you see that bounce? Yeah, I know you see it. I know you see it. The key with this is doing really small sections, very, very small sections, and taking your time going down the hair shaft. You don't want to rush this process. You do not want to do a silk press when you are running out the door because most likely it won't be as silky as you want it to be. Small sections, go very slowly. Honestly, some of these clips are sped up to time speed, so you know I'm going even slower. Take your time. Also, I feel like my silk presses began to come out better once I got a professional cut that I can maintain at home. If your hair is not cut properly or your ends are not trimmed, your hair will look dusty. Like, I don't have no other explanation for that. And in this video, I actually needed a trim really bad. And about 2 weeks after filming this, I went and got a trim because I tried to cut my own hair at home and it was a little, lopsided. But yes, if you have a proper cut, you can maintain your hair at home a lot better and it will look better. Like, you'll be more proud of yourself. I promise. I have tried doing this whole thing multiple ways. And when I tell you this way works, look at my hair. Look at that bounce and look at the shine. Yes, I use a lot of products, but my hair is not heavy and I didn't use too much product, So a dry spray heat protectant is a must for me. When I go in throughout the weeks and flat iron or curl my hair, I spray this on first, I curl my hair, and then I add like these little squishy sleeping rollers to my hair so that it adds a lot more body. I never knew what a dry heat protectant spray was until my stylist let me know what it was, because I would always be scared to like curl or flat iron my hair in between appointments or in between me doing my own hair. And when she told me there's like dry heat protectants, I was like, hold on, that makes so much sense, because you don't want to apply anything water-based to your hair while you have a silk press. And this dry one by Amika is so great. It helps with humidity, and it also is a heat protectant. So I spray that to each section and I curl my hair back, applying these sleeping rollers. I do sleep in these sometimes, but most of the time I just leave them in for an hour and then I take them out, and you will see what they look like in a second. But I don't apply it to every section of my head because I don't need to. The back of my hair is very short, so I just apply it mainly to the top and I curl the other sections. I also feel like this humidity spray by Amika helps my hair to keep its form a lot better. It's kind of like a holding spray for me as well as like a heat protectant and humidity spray. These curling irons are T3. I think I've had these forever and I really like them. They get really hot. Yeah, this is how my hair is looking. I'm taking the rollers out. And when I tell you I really like these rollers, do not use Velcro rollers on your natural hair. Your hair will get stuck and fall out, okay? But this is my hair. Look, it's giving Aunt Viv, it's giving 90s. It's giving bounce. I wish I wasn't being lazy and went in with a hot comb and did my edges, but I be trying to leave my edges alone most times because I'm gonna need them to stay for a while. So I'm not gonna flat iron those to oblivion, but I did add some edge control later on. But do you all see my hair? Do y'all see that? I'm sorry, the silk is pressing. Okay, look at that bounce. Heavy wear, stiff wear. Thank you for watching. I love you. And I'll be back soon. Mwah!